Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This PC is going to be a computing server and we are using two CPUs EPYC 7K62, 96 core, 192 threads and 256 GB ACC RAM DDR4. And the motherboard is AMD SP3 dual socket server motherboard.